We're introducing today a luxury apartment in Palazzo Tergesteo. We're just steps away from Piazza Unità. There's no need to talk you through the marbles, the finishings. Everything in this building is exceptional. Here we go. This is your small but cozy living room. You could walk in tomorrow, fully furnished, and I think the owner had a great taste. You have a fully equipped kitchen, and what's more, you're facing on Piazza della Borsa. There is indeed noise outside, but the builders didn't ignore the issue, so these are great windows. Central heating, air conditioning, closet for all of your stuff. On paper, this is a second floor, but it can be compared to a fourth floor, and there's light flooding in from everywhere. Bathtub, there's nothing that needs to be done. 448,000 euro, and these keys can be yours. If you're buying it as a holiday home, bear in mind that this can lead to good revenue. So get in touch, TriesteVillas.com. I thank Agenzia Immobiliare, my colleague, and see you soon.